Now dear student, we are going to discuss question number 4.10, and in this question it is given to you two moving coil meters M1 and M2 have the following particulars, and value of M1 and M2 is given to you, that R1, A1, R2, A2 all are given to you, B1, B2 is also given to you. Clear? Spring constant are identical for 2 meters. This is given in a question. Then now we have to determine the ratio of current sensitivity and voltage sensitivity of M2 and M1. Clear? So my dear student, definitely whenever we studied about construction of a galvanometer, there we find one principle, and according to that principle we can see, actually we know Bina, B-I-N-A, this should be equal to K times of alpha. Clear? Where K is a spring constant. So first, if I talk about current sensitivity, so current sensitivity is defined as deflection per unit current. Clear? So from this formula we can write deflection per current, this is given by NBA divided by K. Clear? So if I find here ratio for M2 over M1, clear? So I can say current sensitivity, let's suppose if I find for M2 over M1, clear? How can I write? Because value of spring constant is same, so I can write like this. This is N2, B2, A2 divide by this is N1, B1 and this is A1. Clear? So N2 is given to you. Yes, 42. So I can say 42 by 30. Clear? B2 by B1. B2 value given 0.5 and this is 0.25. 0.5, 0.25 multiply A2 by A1. A2 value is given 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 3 and divided by, I can say 3.6 into 10 to the power minus 3. We can say this one and this one cancelled out. Clear? So from here we can say 42 by 30 multiply 2. Directly we can say this is 2 times, and we can say this is 1 by 2 times. Clear? This one and this one are also cancelled out. So now we can find value of current sensitivity. This is 42 by 30. Clear? So now we can say if we cut by 10, we can say this is 10 by 1 and this is 4. So we can say this is 7 by 5, or this is the ratio of current sensitivity for galvanometer M2 and M1. Clear to everyone? Now if I find voltage sensitivity, listen carefully. If I talk about voltage sensitivity, so voltage sensitivity means, first if we talk about expression, this is Bina, this is equal to K alpha. Clear? Now we know voltage sensitivity. So voltage sensitivity is defined as voltage sensitivity. It is defined as, we can say alpha divided by V. Clear? So deflection per unit voltage. This is defined as voltage sensitivity. Now we know actually alpha by V we can also write like this. This is I multiply R. Clear? So alpha upon I we have current sensitivity. Clear? So actually we can say this is defined as current sensitivity divided by, we can say, resistance. Clear? So now you can say current sensitivity we already find, this is NBA divided by K, and it is also multiplied with alpha. So I can write M2 by M1, this is N2, B2, A2 divided by K2. Clear? And we can say this is R2. Clear? This value we have R2. Now we can write same for galvanometer M1. So this is written like this, N1, I can say B1, this is A1 and this is divided by R1. Clear everyone? So from here we can say, we can write like this, N2 by N1 dot, we can say B2 by B1. Clear? And this is A2 by A1 and this is R1 by R2. Clear everyone? So from here we can say, now if we put all the values, we can directly get our answer. Clear? So now we can say M2 by M1, N2 by N1, already we know 42 by 30. Clear? B2 by B1 means 0.50 divided by 0.25. Clear? Multiply A2 by A1. A2 is given to you, yes, 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by 3.6 into 10 to the power minus 3 n multiplied by R1 by R2. R1 is 10, R2 is 14. So this is 10 by 40. Clear? So you know that we have already solved this parameter. Clear? And we find this is equal to 14 by 10. Yes or no? And resistance is given to you in the ratio of 10 by 14. It means here we will get ratio of voltage sensitivity. This is 1:1. Clear everyone? So like this you can solve this question. Clear? So this is all about this question.